In the vast, unforgiving ocean, a mother whale struggles for her life. Relentless nets constrict her movement, tightening her. Her calf, too young to understand. The waves crash violently. Time is running out. She lifts her weary eye to the surface, gasping for air. The heavy net drags her downward, threatening to steal her final breath. Below, the full extent of her suffering is revealed. Deep wounds, tangled ropes biting into her flesh. But the ocean listens. A pod of dolphins senses her distress. With urgent clicks and whistles, they race toward a distant vessel. Aboard a speeding rescue boat, marine conservationists respond to the distress call. The storm is building. So is the danger. A diver plunges into the stormy waters, heart pounding. The mother whale is weak but wary. Will she trust these strangers? Will she let them save her? Carefully, the diver approaches, blade in hand. Each strand of net must be cut with precision. One wrong move could send her into a panic and into deeper peril. The rescue boat tilts as massive waves pound against it. The team fights to stay balanced, their focus unshaken. Every second counts. Just as the last piece of net is within reach, a rogue wave crashes into the boat. A diver is swept backward, flailing in the chaos. The storm has turned against them. But will she realize she's free? Will she swim? Or has the struggle drained her final strength? She turns, her massive eye meeting the diver's. A silent moment passes, one of gratitude, of understanding. A bond forged in the depths of survival. The young calf leaps into the air, splashing joyously. The ocean, once filled with fear, now echoes with freedom. Though freed, her body tells the story of her suffering. Deep scars remain, but today, she is alive. On the boat, the rescuers exhale, drenched, exhausted, victorious. They did not give up, and neither did she. Side by side, they swim into the open sea, no longer captives, no longer afraid. She turns once more toward the boat, a silent farewell. Then, with a final flick of her tail, she vanishes into the blue. The storm begins to settle. The ocean, once chaotic, now cradles her in its vast embrace. This is not just one whale's story. It is a call to action. Our oceans are in peril. Their survival depends on us. One life saved, 1,000 more still in danger. The fight continues. Will you stand for them?